Good evening. So your name is Surekha.
Yeah, my name is Surekha.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Surekha Sharma. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir and district Riyasi. I belong to a small village named Poni. And about my qualification, I have completing from Government Girl High School, and I have done VSc. After that, I did MA in English, and now I'm a MA VET, and I'm a private teacher, and I teach online and as well as a YouTuber. And my hobbies are I love listening music, and nowadays I'm learning this language. Sometimes I read books on Google app, and listen audiobooks, and watch videos on YouTube.
Okay, very good. So you have done MA English
Yes, ma'am.
and you are doing a job. Okay, so it's listening to
Okay, I'm a
music.
private
It's
teacher.
not, yeah, okay. So it's listening to music, not listening music. Okay. Do you mind
Okay,
if I
okay.
correct you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You are teaching which subject?
I teach math and science and SST.
Okay, maths and science and SST you are teaching. And why do
Yes,
you want to
ma'am.
learn English?
Actually, ma'am, there are so many students in the area who want to learn English, and they don't have any source and any institute where they can learn. So that's why I want to learn English. And as I said, I'm English. So when you are in English, then it's necessary to learn this language. Otherwise, people make of you. So that's why I learn, and I love this language. So these are the reason that then I want to learn this language.
Okay, great. So your video is not working properly. Is there a network issue?
Yes, ma'am. I think there is a network problem.
Okay.
So that's why.
So how is it in Jammu and Kashmir? You are in Kashmir.
I'm from Jammu, ma'am. I'm from Jammu Kashmir, but in Jammu city,
Okay.
Jammu.
Okay. So from we go to Jammu when we have to go to Vaishno Devi. I have been to Jammu so many times to go to Vaishno Devi. We go to Jammu, then we go to
Okay.
Katra, and then we go to Vaishno Devi temple. Have you been there?
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me about your family also.
My family, there are 8 members. My parents and my 2 brothers, and my elder brother's wife, and their 2 daughters, and I'm the younger one. And
Okay. Okay. So you are the youngest in the family?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So are you pampered a lot?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I think you can talk about your colleagues.
And
How are your colleagues in school?
they all are good, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about the children that you are
Can
teaching. How are the students?
childrens are okay, ma'am. They are very intelligent, and most of the children, I think some are intelligent, and there are many students average,
I have heard
and
that children, they make fun of teachers these days. So does it happen with you?
not, ma'am.
Okay. They don't.
I think it's happen in higher classes.
Okay, they don't bother you.
It happens in higher classes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are teaching which grade?
I teach up to 8th class.
Okay, up to 8th class. Those children are very young to make fun of teachers, If you had been teaching 11th, 12th, then I think it would have been difficult because these children are very hard to
Yeah.
deal with. So your college life, when did you complete your MA English?
2017, 2017, and I completed in 2018. Start in 2017, and I think 2018 I completed in 2018.
Okay. So you have been working as a teacher since then?
Not man. After that, after MA in English, after that I did a B.Ed, and then I did diploma in computer.
Okay.
And after that, I joined in a private school.
But your diploma, you did diploma in computers and now you're teaching maths, SST and all that. So your diploma of computers, are you using it for anything? And why don't you teach English? Because, you have done BA English, then MA English. You want to polish your skills in English first.
Yeah, ma'am,
Is
I
it
want to
so?
teach, but yes, ma'am, I want to teach, but in my school, uh, 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 my principal sir didn't give me English subject because
Okay.
there are many other teachers. Other teachers they
Okay.
teach, so that's why. But next year, he gives me.
Okay.
He will
Next
give
year he
me.
can consider you. He might consider you next year. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you
Hmm.
keep working in the same school and if he sees that how your English is now, he can give you a chance to teach
Yes, ma'am.
English. Yeah.
Knows very well that I teach online and my English is good. And sometimes he says that I will give you a chance, but he says I will give you a chance next year. So
Okay. So
let's see.
who do you teach online?
Uh, I teach online students.
Okay, you teach students online, but do you teach English?
I teach English, ma'am.
Okay, so you're teaching the other subjects in the school and you're teaching English online.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which are these students? Are they from school or the other students?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are these students? They are school students or the other students?
Yes, ma'am. They are all school students.
Okay, all these students who are in your school, you are teaching them English online.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One day I asked them that I want to start online classes, and they said, yes, ma'am, I want to join your classes, and then I started.
Oh,
And I
great.
have been teaching for 15 days.
Okay. So you are enjoying it.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're giving extra
Yes,
classes
ma'am.
to
Very
your
much.
students for free. That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are helping others
Thank you,
become
ma'am.
fluent in English. You are teaching other people and you are helping them. It's like an extra tuition for them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You teach online and then you teach at school also. Do you get any free time to enjoy?
No, ma'am, I didn't get a time to enjoy because 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I was in school. I'm in school, and after that I teach tuition. I give tuition some students at home, and
Okay. And
after
then you
that
take an online
11
classes.
I online.
Okay, so you don't get
Yes.
any free time
Uh,
because from 9 to 3 you are in school. And after that you give tuitions and after
yeah.
that you give online classes to the students.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you get
Yes,
time
ma'am.
for yourself? Like when you hang out with your friends?
No, ma'am, I get a time to hang out with my friends.
Okay, you don't get any time to meet your friends.
Actually, ma'am, my friends they all are married, and only I'm the one who is not married, and so I didn't get a chance to meet them. And sometimes I call them,
Okay.
but very little.
Okay. You don't get a chance to meet your friends. You rarely call them, but all of them are married. You are the only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
who's left. So you are also thinking of marriage?
Yes, ma'am.
You are.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
not ma'am, not yet.
You want to focus on your work first, right?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to focus on my work. I want to learn this language, and I want to start my own business. Like I want to teach online. So that's why nowadays I'm learning this language.
Okay. And you have a YouTube channel also. What is it about?
Yes, ma'am. I have a YouTube channel, and it is about I teach English on my channel. It is an
Okay.
English channel.
Okay. Yes,
I
spoken
upload
English channel
videos
only.
like English vocabulary. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Vocabulary and all that. That's great. So you're doing so many things.
Vocabulary reviews sentences.
And what are your parents saying? They are okay that you are currently focusing on your career and your work and you want to start your own business and you are so ambitious. Are they okay with that? Or they want you to get married?
Yes, ma'am. They are.
Oh,
No,
they
ma'am.
are
They
okay.
are okay with me, and sometimes they they searching for me. They searching for a guy for me, and but when they choose someone, I will definitely say yes.
Okay. Jammu, because I had been there long ago. So, I mean, are there malls and big restaurants there? Is it like a big city? Because I had been there a very, very long time ago. It's been ages.
Okay, so ma'am, now Jammu, it's a very big city.
Okay.
So
Are there shopping malls and,
climate is very
cinema
good. It's
halls?
moderate climate at time.
Yeah. Okay. Are there cinema halls and big malls there?
Shopping hall, I know. Cinema hall. No, ma'am. In my area, there is no cinema hall and all in that. But in Jammu city, there are so many shopping malls and cinema halls.
But you are in Jammu city only, no? You live in Jammu city only.
No, ma'am. From district Riasi. So
Okay.
there is small village named Poni. So
Okay. So you are living
not
in
in
a
a city,
village
ma'am.
which is near Jammu city.
I live in a village.
Okay, you live in a village which is near
Yes, ma'am.
Jammu city, but it's not Jammu city. You are not in Jammu city.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you go to Jammu city sometimes?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, sometimes I go to Jammu because my sister lives there.
Okay. Okay. You're teaching the
So
students of your village and you're teaching in a school in a village. So later on, you want to start your
yes,
own
ma'am.
business in the village itself?
Yes, ma'am. Because there are so many students. Because there is no any institute or there are no any source to learn this language. So that's why I want to teach online.
Okay. Okay. Because there is no other institute or there are no other teachers who are teaching students online. That is why you want to help these students. Okay, great. Have you been to
Yes,
Delhi?
ma'am.
Have you been to Delhi or any other city?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. I only visit to three states: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Punjab. Punjab.
Okay. So in Uttarakhand, have you been to Nainital?
No, ma'am. Not Nainital. Uttar Pradesh. Brindavan. I
Uttarakhand.
went to Brindavan.
Okay, you went to Vrindavan. Actually, Nainital is in Uttarakhand. That is why I was saying that have you been to Nainital? And because you told me that you have
No.
been to Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand, I went to Haridwar and Rishikesh, and
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh, I went to Brindavan.
Okay, okay. So that's great. And all your friends
Yes,
who got
ma'am.
married, they got married in the same village or they went to some other place?
In the same district, ma'am. I belong to a district, Riasi district. So
Okay, okay. So your friends are there
they
in
in
your
Riasi.
district only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are doing a very good job that you are teaching village students and you want to do something for your village. That's great. And you are already fluent, and I think a little mistake here and there will also go away as you keep speaking with other people. You should try to speak with other people also. Have you contacted other YouTubers also?
No, ma'am. I messaged so many YouTubers, but no, no. I think nobody get me chance to.
Okay.
And I think I'm going to join. I think you must heard a name Rajni Verma. She
Rajni
teaches
Verma.
English.
No, I have not.
Yes,
heard
ma'am.
about
The name of the channel is Try to Thrive.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, now I have heard about the channel. Okay. So you are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
talk to Rajni ma'am next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Not
That's
not
great.
next few, but after few days.
After a few
some
days.
days,
Mhm.
I'm going to join.
It's great
Yes, ma'am.
because there is no atmosphere in a village. So you, I think, can't do your English speaking practice in the village. That is why you need to speak to other people. But where did you do your MA English from?
Ma'am, from IGNO.
Okay, that was
I did it
distance learning.
from
That
IGNO.
was distance learning. If you had done a regular college course like MA English, then it would have been much different. By IGNO, actually, you have to do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
effort yourself by doing it with IGNO. It's all distance learning and you have to do everything on your own. So there were no teachers who could guide you, right?
No, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it was so lovely talking with you and all the best. You will start your business and your business will thrive. I would wish you luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, can I talk you after this session? Can I have another session with you?
Actually, Surekha, there have been so many requests which are pending. So it's difficult for me to give one more conversation. Okay, Surekha, all the best.
Ma'am.
It
So,
was a
ma'am,
lovely conversation.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye, ma'am.